So I started a pressure washing company. What I want to be doing with it is working on, cleaning driveways and houses and such. But for now, it's just a start. I'm doing vehicles, just washing cars. And today was a successful day. We washed 5 vehicles and got some money and got some customers. So what I'm gonna do here is show you just how my setup is, how I do it, and yeah, we'll go from there. So first off, what I do, I'll get to that stuff in a minute, but first off, what I do is I gotta fill up these 2 garbage cans. I wanted to get 55-gallon drums, but I couldn't find any anywhere local. So what I did instead is I just got these 2 garbage cans. They're 64 gallons. I don't know if you can see that. Bought them from Lowe's, 64 gallons, and they're great. I fill them both up, and they lasted about 6 vehicles. So how I fill it up is actually free. It's this, it's a Water Buffalo fill point for the military. This is where we come fill up all the water that soldiers drink, and they do it here while we're out in like training, doing field stuff out there. So that's where I get my free water. And yeah, I guess I'll demonstrate how I fill it up. So just have to turn this valve a bunch of times, open it up, and fill up the trash can. I'll do that now. Alright, so now I got it filled up partly for this, demonstration for you. Next thing I do is we got to get the water to the pressure washer, right? So to do that, I thought about, just doing gravity fed, but that definitely wouldn't be enough. Because this thing goes 2.8 gallons per hour, or gallons per minute. So, I got to be pumping that. So I need to find a solution to get some water to that pressure washer. And this is what I settled on. It's a small little pump from Harbor Freight. I'll put the information up on screen. And it's great. It works just fine. It pumps just enough, or actually twice as much water as needed for the pressure washer. And it runs great, works fine. It connects to the battery just by two connections, jumper cables. What I want to do with it later is find a way to hook that up to the truck somewhere so I can just activate it from the bed of the truck or something. I don't know, I'll figure that out. But that is how that works. So what I'm doing here is I've got an adapter from the pump attached to the hose to give it some weight and to give it some larger surface area. That way I can get it down and into the garbage can and keep it there. Right now I'm making sure that its orientation is correct so it's not against flat surfaces, and making sure that it's gonna suck up water. Yep, there she goes. All right, let's make sure this pump is pumping water. We'll release this up a bit, see if we can get some flow, see the flow happening. There we go. Got some flow going through the hose now. Check this end of the hose. There it is. Pumping great. See? Good flow out of that little pump over there. So I'm going to hook this up and then demonstrate the pressure washer for you. Pressure washer is awesome. Got it for a deal at Home Depot at Harbor Freight. Hopefully that's not too loud for you, but it's awesome. So 3,100 PSI, 2.8 gallons per minute. Getting fed by a pump that does, I don't know about what the math is. I think it's almost 5 gallons per minute. So it's plenty enough for that pressure washer. All we do, get that set up, and spray away. So what we do here is we've got a bunch of fittings, and all we really use for washing cars is this white one, which is just kind of a moderate 40-degree angle spray, get all the grime off. Then we go to this for stage 2 in the car wash, which is a soap dispensing nozzle, lowers the the pressure a bunch and just loads soap out from this soap dispenser down here. We've just been using this car wash stuff. I've just kind of bought whatever I've, you know, seen available, and these are the ones that I'll be using. Okay, so that's basically it. It's a lot of fun. This has been fun putting together. Really, that's it. Let me know what you think. Yeah, that's it.